weche manyien maka gi kacha. Nyinga Milton Ocheng. Jopuonjre malo milion 1 manotimo penj mar KJSEA biro ng'eyo sikunde magidhie juma manyien tok yiero kata tok tieko chenro mar ketogi e skunde mabende opogore kaluwore gi duoko mar penj. Migawo mar somo kalando duoko mar penj mokwongo maduong' mitimo kokalo e chenro mar CBE owacho ni jopuonjrego duto biro ng'eyo skunde magidhie kapok gichamo Christmas.
Of the 1,130,459 candidates who sat for the 2025 KJSEA, 59.09% have demonstrated potential to pursue the STEM pathway at senior school. 46.52% have demonstrated capacity to pursue the social science pathway, and 48.73% the arts and sports pathway. Ladies and gentlemen, the next important step is a placement and transition of learners to senior school. Learners will be placed to senior schools based on their performance and selected pathways, in line with the recommendations of the Presidential Working Party on Education Reform. The assessment of learners at grade 9 comprised 20% from the Kenya Primary School Education Assessment, 20% from the school-based assessment in grade 7 and 8, and 60% summative evaluation at grade 9. This summative evaluation is the KJSEA.